Torrey Pines has a great culinary program for our junior and senior Falcons. Students share why they decided to enroll in culinary and what can be expected of the class.
I took culinary 1 to learn how to cook just because I think it's a very important skill to have, and you can learn it by yourself, in a kitchen, for example, just at home, but I think learning it in a classroom environment where it's a lot more structured, and just also they have all the ingredients, so it's a lot more convenient, and it's a school provided thing, so if you can take it, why not, kind of thing. I would recommend this class because I think it teaches you a lot of just great skills about how to the basic stuff like knife skills, getting just experience and ingredients and all of that.
I took culinary too, just to continue my culinary experience and also try to dive into more cultured foods. Learning to bake new things, especially sweets such as beignets, has been really fun. Working with new technology and new types of cooking such as frying or diving more into basting with chicken has definitely been a new experience for me, and that's why I took culinary too. I would 100% recommend this class. It is a super fun elective. You basically just get to make food that's delicious. You get to also make food that you want to make some days. And it's a great way to meet people because it forces you to learn how to work together efficiently within an hour and a half with some people that you might have never ever talked to.
Teacher Mike Lopez shares why he decided to teach the program and what students can expect to learn in this class.
We go through a traditional culinary school curriculum, mainly really teaching skills rather than addressing the particular types of food. The foods are more of a way to teach those skills, but we have a lot of interesting choices that we use to kind of show those skills. What's sticking out to me right now and what students are currently enjoying, we're in our bread dough unit, and students come out of this class and discovering that they can make pizza a favorite meal and something that's intimidated them throughout their lives, but they find out they have the skills to do that and take home something that they really enjoy. As a biology teacher, I found the job at Torrey Pines High School and an opening teaching culinary arts. I'd always been interested in cooking. I do a lot of cooking at home, and I thought it was a fantastic opportunity to teach new things at school.
Culinary is a great choice for anyone interested in learning something new and stepping out of your comfort zone. Be sure to consider culinary as an elective for your next year at Torrey Pines. This is Pierre Sagan, Nathan Pham, Brandon Rico, Bill Hay, and Aiden Laughlin signing off for Falcon Vision.